How to upload media from computer in Wix Studio. So in order to upload media, it can be a video or an image. So if you want to upload something like that, what you can do is you can just head over to your actual website editor, and then from in there, click onto this plus icon that we can see right there. So from in here, you can see this image option. So don't hesitate to add that right here because it will promptly open the media library of Wix. Once it's been added, click onto this change image and it will open this. So in here, we can see in here our actual site files. You can click onto this. And here we have the upload media option. So click onto this upload media and start adding files from your computer. You can also add files from your actual Google Drive, Facebook, as well as social media accounts. Let me head over and add these two images right here and upload it. You can just drag and drop the files or select from the actual window from there. So it will upload those files and you can see them right here under the site files. You can just choose which kind of photo you want, and as you can see, they have been retained right here. So that's how you upload media from computer in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.